An issue that quite a lot of my clients have presented to me over the years is that the footer within Squarespace doesn't automatically update like the header does. So when they add, let's say a new page or a new link into the header, they think automatically because the header's updated, the footer will as well. But in reality, the footer is treated like almost any other section on Squarespace insofar as you need to actually manually edit it. You need to create a footer and you need to update the content within. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a link into the navigation and show you how you can then add that into your footer. So on our site here, we've got about, FAQs, contact. And then in the footer, we have the same, except we have home, because obviously that's a page within the site as well. Now, if I go into pages, you'll see the main navigation with all of the links in here. Let's say, I'm this client here and I'm a shopping or a retail venue. I want to add a page called stores. So I add a page in and we'll say stores, for a list of stores. And I'm going to move that down here and I go, okay, great. We've got about, FAQ, stores, contact. But then I look in the footer and I go, oh, well, it's not here. It hasn't updated. So what I have to do is I have to go into edit, and you can do this on any page on your site. It doesn't matter because the footer is applied across the site. So you go down and you hover over the footer and you'll see edit site footer. You click on this and then your navigation usually is just going to be a text block. So within your text block, all you need to do is click again, and you can see it's just simple text. So I'm going to quickly reference the header and I can see, okay, stores is in between FAQs and contact. So I go back down here and I go, okay, there's FAQ and there's contact. I'm going to hit return and then I'm going to go stores. Now this doesn't fit the same size as these, so I just need to resize it to paragraph 3. You will obviously have to match the style of whatever you have set on your site. So once that's in, I'll click on the link icon. I'm going to do / and I'm going to find the page that I want to add, which is stores. So I'll click on that and immediately it's updated. All I need to do is hit save, hit exit, and then you'll see from home, I can navigate to stores in the header. If I go back, I can do the same from the footer like so. And there we go. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.